Thanks for joining us at GoToTrails.com. Today, we'll be learning how to use the overall web map console that applies to the Plan, Manage, and Explore mapping software. We'll be learning with the Plan mapping software today. So on the Welcome page, when you click on the Plan toolbox, it's going to bring you to a map that looks like this. This map is going to be at a 60-mile zoom scale, and the zoom scale can be seen in the bottom left-hand corner here. Right next to the zoom scale are the latitude and longitude coordinates. As you move your cursor about the map, these coordinates will change relative to your geographic location. If you look to the top left-hand corner, we have the zoom in and zoom out feature. As you zoom in, your map will load more data and information, and as you zoom out, there'll be less detailed information displayed. You can also find out more information about the trails by clicking on them. As you click on them, an information box will come up that shows details like the destination corridor, the regional network, and trail length. As you zoom in, you get more information about each individual trail. Right under the zoom in and zoom out tool is the Home tool. If you want to go back to your default screen and scale that you saw when you first entered the map, you can click on this button and it'll take you back to where you started. Now, if you're ever on a trail or out in the field and you want to use this software to see exactly where you are, you can use the Location feature, which will show you exactly where you are in the context of the map, and it'll show up in a little blue dot. If we go over to the right-hand corner, we have the base map gallery, printing options, and a link to the GoToTrails sandboxes. So the base map gallery allows us to change the background image of the map. We have a geographic imagery map, an open space map, which is like Google Maps, and our default is the topographical map. When trying to print any of the maps you've viewed or created, you'll be using the printing feature. Next to the printing feature is the link to the sandboxes. Sandboxes are the individualized workspaces for organizations that use GoToTrails GIS-based trail, demographic, economic, and natural resource data information, and also for creating and managing trail content. More about how to use these sandboxes will be covered in a later tutorial. So the web map console is here on the left-hand side and has the legend, map layers, shapefile importing feature, the graphics tool, the measuring tool, and the identification tool. The legend is going to show the basic information about what is being displayed on the map. As you zoom in, the legend is going to load more information about the map. The layers feature allows us to see what information is being shown on the map and also to hide any information we don't want to see. So let's say we don't want to see off-road trails at the moment. You will come over here, uncheck that specific layer, and now that data will no longer be displayed on the map. The shapefile importing feature allows users to import shapefiles they already have available into the mapping toolbox. The shapefile components need to be added as a zip file, but once uploaded, the GIS information will be displayed on the mapping toolbox. The identification tool can be used to find information about trails and features on the map in the same way as the information box that comes up when you click on the trails. Keep in mind, once you open the information tool, the information can only be viewed in the sidebar, and information boxes will no longer pop up on the map. In our next video, we'll be going over in detail how to use the graphics tool and the measuring tool. Thanks again for using GoToTrails.com.